Hello, business leaders. This is Ogbo Awoke Obo. I find this fascinating and thought to share how businesses create values, how they respond to customer spend point, and then they're able to create value and have customers pay for it. So I have this long layover, kind of overnight layover in London Heathrow, and was not able to get into town because my flight is early tomorrow morning. And I thought that somehow there could be a place in the airport, in a sort of overnight lounge. Most lounges close at 10, 11 p.m. But I now got to this place, number one travelers, and they offer overnight, sort of bed space, and of course a little bath here where I could freshen up in the morning before proceeding to where I'm going. But the key point here for us as business owners is to be aware of customer pains. Like I had this pain, and I'm so happy that there is a business that responded. I thought ahead of time that there will be travelers having these long layovers, don't want to get into town, just a place they will rest in the airport, freshen up, and then proceed to their travel. So I'm happy to use this place, and I'm happy to recommend it. So tomorrow morning I'll freshen up, and then I'm off to my final destination in the States. I'll talk to you again sometime very soon. Bye for now.